Today I'm going to update you with what's going on in new construction, specifically DR Horton Express homes this summer. And we're going to talk about the new construction market here in Central Florida, take a tour of a model, and then look at a couple of houses that were for sale this past weekend that were built in 2019. Before we begin, I do want to point out that this video was not made to be published on YouTube. It was for some specific clients, but then I thought, why not? It's got good information for everybody. So let's take a look at what's going on with DR Horton and their express homes this summer. So they have changed the way they release their properties. There is such demand right now that what they're doing is on Saturdays, they will release a couple of houses and you have to make an offer on it. And then on Monday, they will compare all the offers and either choose one and go under contract or just release the home as they would normally with its regular price if no one has bought it. Now, my understanding from talking to the sales reps at DR Horton is that they are going under contract on Mondays. And so if you want one, you know, they are essentially experiencing multiple offer situations. And there's different ways you can structure your offer if you are interested in this that doesn't necessarily involve going over the asking price. You can, tell them you don't need closing costs or as many closing costs from their lender, and things like that that will improve your chances of getting one of these under contract. Now, what I did this weekend was I had some clients from out of state, so I took a little tour of the area. We are at the DR Horton community in Sanford, and I drove around the area a little bit. I toured the model home. And then later on, after I was done, I drove through the community and there were two open houses and they were also the same model, this Hayden model. So I went through the open houses. I'm going to talk about the prices of the open houses that were for sale this weekend. I suspect they're both under contract already. But if you are interested in purchasing a DR Horton home or, a home that's newer, please feel free to reach out to me and I can set you up on a search for these properties and let you know when they become available and we can get you started on that, as it is a very, very competitive market right now. So let's take a look at what I did this weekend. So we're going to go ahead and make a quick tour of this. So dining right off the front door. Let's review what these express homes mean and how this works. When DR Horton releases properties on Saturdays, they will tell you what lot is available, what house is going on it. So you don't get a choice. Like, it's not like they release 3 lots and you get to decide which model is going on that lot. It's a lot, a model, and a specific package. They call it the upgrade package. So there are, I think, like 8 or 9 different packages that they use. So you might have a Hayden with salt and pepper granite and white cabinetry, or a different model with brown cabinetry and a different type of granite. You can't make choices to it. Most of these houses are about halfway built already. So the 3 that were released this past weekend are slated for move-in. They're anticipating to be finished August or September. So there is not any room for you to make any choices. So you can't say, I don't want carpet anywhere. I would prefer this tile, something like that. This is not in any way a custom build. This is just a new home, if that's what you're interested in. But you're kind of at the mercy of what's available based on your time frame. And they are just releasing a few each weekend. So this would be the master. So the way it's laid out, there's a closet on this side. And one on this side. This one's a bit smaller, so but it looked like Let's see what's over here. Okay, there's a bonus room we're gonna come to. Here's the laundry. Oh, very cute. Another bathroom with double sinks. A good size linen closet. And this has, this is separate with its own door, so you can close that off and someone can be here at the sinks. AC unit. Another nice sized hallway closet. Let's just check out this closet. Yeah, all the secondary bedrooms closets are the same or similar. The only thing I want to see still is what is in this closet or where this goes to. More storage. Let's just check out the back. I think these come with just a small slab for a porch area. Yeah. And there's the pool. You can see some kids playing there maybe. I don't know if you can see that or not. But this is the model. This isn't the actual home that's for sale. But that's the community pool, cabana area, and some other houses. So these are the lots that are available. This is a pond.
Yes.
192, 191. Those are the prices. And then one there. What's here?
It's just kind of like an open area right now. It's owned by an electrical company over there.
Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So see how this says I8? That's this color. That's I don't know if this is reading correctly, but that's gray. Like that is gray right there. And then the next one is I6, which is this one, and that is white.
We're going to contribute towards your closing costs. So on any of those homes, we can do $6,000 towards your closing.
And then the last one is interior 4, which is this color. Actually, this is similar to interior 6, except the granite is darker.
That's going to take
really, and the little tile is a little darker.
Yeah, the closing costs in Florida are roughly around.
So this is actually one that is available right now. It's $379,000, and I guess somebody's moving. So here's the street. It's a perfect day, by the way. And this is nice because it's already been all constructed, so you're not going to have any like construction noise around you, I guess. So let's run in and take a look. This is the same model. This is a Hayden, just like what I just showed you. So when we come in, there's a dining room right here. Have these recessed lights. So this would be the guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. And this is that darker granite that I showed you. It's called salt and pepper. That last package was the salt and pepper one. Okay, let's just quickly run upstairs. Just giving you an idea of what is currently actually available right now in the same community that you wouldn't have to wait to build. Master. It really kind of looks just barely lived in, honestly. They don't have the lights on, so it's a little dark. There's that granite. One closet, two closets. It looks like they changed the closet a little bit, added some extra shelves. One bedroom. Here's this bonus room. There we go. Same situation as the last one. Okay, that's that. So now I'm going to take you very quickly through another Hayden that was for sale this weekend. It was on a corner lot, and it had a really nice screened-in back porch that the owners had put on, and it was listed at $367,500, so significantly less than the new ones, and it was in very, very nice condition. I did have to condense this video because there were so many people in the open house, and I don't want to show their faces because they maybe don't want to be on YouTube. So I'm just going to go through the ground floor and show you the back porch. But if this is of interest to you, please reach out to me and let me know. So this concludes our tour of DR Horton and what's going on there. There are, of course, other houses that are not only Hayden models. There are smaller homes, there are single-story homes available from time to time. So if this is something that is of interest to you, my contact details are always below this video. And please feel free to set up a Zoom call with me so we can just spend a little bit of time getting to know each other, and I can figure out what your home search is and how to best help you. Thanks for watching.